Good morning, Fashion Beauty! I'm Kiefer Lippens, and today I'm going to give you tips and tricks about hair. And I'm going to answer the questions that you have sent to the Instagram page at Fashion and Beauty Trans 7. Let's check it out. Banyak orang yang gak suka dengan hairspray tapi masih ingin rambutnya terlihat mengembang setelah di hair dryer. Untuk membuat rambut lebih bervolume, caranya gampang banget. Setelah kamu mencuci rambut, keringkan dengan handuk. Lalu, semprotan salt spray saat rambut kamu masih lembab. Kamu bisa spray di bagian akar rambut agar hasil rambut kamu lebih bervolume. Tapi, jangan terlalu banyak karena nanti akan membuat rambut menjadi lebih kaku dan kurang bervolume. Dan untuk membuat rambut lebih bertekstur, you can apply this salt spray di bagian ujung rambut. Setelah selesai mengaplikasikan salt spray, keringkan rambut dengan menggunakan hair dryer. Lalu rapikan dengan menggunakan jari. That's all, and you're ready to go. Pertama, bagi rambut kamu menjadi beberapa bagian. Lalu dikepang dan di hairspray. Next, catok rambut kamu seperti ini. Tekan beberapa kali di setiap bagian. Setelah selesai mencatok semua bagian, lepaskan kepangan rambutnya, tata dengan menggunakan jari. Lalu final touch dengan menggunakan hairspray. And done! You are ready to go! So, Fashion Beauty, I just received a few questions on our Instagram page about hair. So I'm going to answer you guys the questions. I just received a question from Win_Gilbert. Dear Fashion and Beauty Trans 7, bikin dong tutorial cara menata rambut yang tipis dan mudah berminyak. Of course, this is a very common thing happening here in Indonesia, especially with the weather, you know, the humid. It makes our hair very quick, oily, and lepek. So what I would advise, ask your hairdresser in the salon to use a shampoo which is good for oily scalp. So it keeps maintaining the hairdo a little bit. Besides that, you can always use a dry shampoo, which is a spray. You can buy it everywhere from different kind of brands. Just try to Google it. A dry shampoo. You spray it on the scalp and it absorbs the oil from the scalp, so your hair tetap masih bervolume and it will not turun terlalu cepat. If you have any more questions about your hair, styling, taking care of it, nutrition, whatever, send us a message on our Instagram here below at Fashion and Beauty Trans 7.